The first part of Tamil alphabet is Tamil vowels. They are called in Tamil as Tamil Uyir Eluttukal. They are namely A, A, I, E, U, U, E, E, I, O, O, How. Tamil vowels are classified into two categories. They are namely Kuril and Nedil. That means short vowels and long vowels. And each vowel is denoted with Daniel Jones phonetic symbols. Here this is A, short vowel. A, long vowel. E, short vowel. E, long vowel. U, short vowel. U, long vowel. A, short vowel. A, long vowel. I, long vowel, and there is no short form for I. O, short vowel. O, long vowel. Au, long vowel, and there is no short form for au. In Tamil, vowels are used as a beginning letter of a word, and they are never used in the middle of a word or at the end of a word. Okay, let's move to the first letter A. The first Tamil vowel is A. We hear A for apple in English, and in Tamil we say A for Amma. Amma means mother. Here in this video you see a mother is enjoying an evening stroll with her two children. Okay, we will see some more example words for the letter A now. A squirrel is called as Anil in Tamil. Anil, Anil. You need not to worry about the blue letters. A is in red. A, il, li, alli means lily flower. The second vowel is A, the long vowel. It is pronounced as A in father, dot, part, etc. And A is written like A, but in addition to that A, a bottom hook is added to that letter A to form A. A for Asriyar means teacher.
And stand up, stand up, stand up. Very good, very good. Okay, can you show me how to walk? Do you know how to walk? You walk like this. Ready? You chest out, and we go, and we walk left, right, left. We're going to walk around the room. That's my bottom. Okay, we walk around the room. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. And let's walk, 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 and stop. And sit down. Very good. And stand up, stand up, stand up. Very good. Can you show me how to swim? Do you know how to swim? How do you swim? You swim like this. Yeah. You swim like this. Yeah. So let's swim around the room. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's swim, 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 and swim quickly, swim quickly, swim, 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 swim quickly, swim quickly.
A, R, Aru means river. This is river Varaganadi of Periyakulam in Tamil Nadu. Adu means goat. The third Tamil vowel is E, the short form. It is written in this way as the pencil writes on these 4 lines. It is pronounced as I in it, hit, sit, etc. Here, E for idli. Idli. Idli is a steam baked rice cake. It is made up of rice batter. And it is ranked as the second best food in the world because it is very easily digestible and it is very suitable for even the small kids and babies and even the patients who are in the hospitals. As it consists of all the necessary ingredients to the body, it is ranked as the second best food in the world. And it has a combination of chutney and sambar. The idli, chutney, sambar is a very tasty food and you will enjoy it definitely. And it is the common morning tiffin in Tamil Nadu. Thunder is called as Idi in Tamil. Idi. Ilava maram means silk cotton tree. Okay, we will see the next letter in the next video. Until then, bye.